Hello and very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am.
Our school, Milia Convent English School, Rambagh, Pune, today feels very proud because you, the toppers of 10th board CBSE, have got yourself enrolled in this school. You have been invited here for a brief, friendly chat. In fact, this is the tradition which our school maintains every year. Every year, the toppers who get admitted here are invited and we have a chat with them. I am Dinesh Ranjan and with me is Mrs. Kismatara ma'am, and we both belong to the Department of English, Milia Convent English School. And we have the pleasure and privilege to ask a few questions in this friendly chat so that our students could be benefited by it. In fact, just as there is a saying, nothing succeeds like a success. And the same is applied here. You all three have now become the idols, the icons, the role models for thousands of students, not only of this school, but all the schools of this district, of this state, you may say. And these students want to know more and more about you, your strategies, your plannings, your experiences, because in future they will be benefited by them. I am sure your answers, your tips and tricks, your experiences you will share with us will surely benefit. And now to begin with, first of all, we would like to congratulate you on your grand success. And at the same time, let me tell you, I haven't introduced you as yet. Because rather I should say we want you to introduce yourselves. So one by one, you can give your introduction.
At first, I would like to thank both of you to invite in this friendly chat. I am a student of class 11 of Milia Public School. I am Anushri Anand.
Yes, continue.
I am Anushri Anand. My father's name is Mr. Ashok Kumar Bhagat. I passed my board exam from Vijayendra Public School. I scored 95.2% in board exam. Thank you.
You?
First of all, I would like to say thank you for inviting me in this friendly chat. I am Snehal. I am student of standard 11 of Milia Convent School. My father's name is Abhimanyu Kumar, and I secured 96.2% in board examination. Thank you.
I am Amrit Raj from Milia Convent English School. My father's name is Amrendra Jha, and I have scored 97.2% in the CBSE board examination 2020. Thank you.
Very good. Your marks, the percentage is formidable. Awesome. Well, to begin this chat, friendly chat, first of all, I would like to begin with a question, simple question. Most of the students, before their 10th board, are scared. There is a sort of examophobia in them. What was your experience? Were you scared or not? Anushri.
Yes, earlier I am scared slightly, but teachers helped me a lot to overcome this problem. They inspired me and give me some inspirational examples. My parents also support me to do better in board exam. They always encourage me. That's all.
Yes, very good.
On its initial academic session, I also scared from this board examination, but after the guidance of parents and teachers, I overcome from this fear and I perform well in board examination.
Very good. Amrit?
At the initial stages, I was also scared of the board exams. But after the proper guidance and motivation from our teachers and parents, I overcame this problem.
Very good.
Okay, I welcome you all once again, and I congratulate you on your grand success, three of you. And I welcome you on behalf of Milia Convent English Medium School, which is the first CBSE school of Pune. I welcome you again. Now my question to you all is, Anushri, how much time did you devote for your studies, for your preparations?
I spend 5 to 6 hours in self-study instead of my schooling. I think that self-study is very important. That helps us a lot to understand our weaknesses and our strengths. So I was always focus on self-study, and mainly I focused on NCRT.
Okay, very good. Steve?
Apart from this, I focused on self-study for 4 to 5 hours per day. So I most focus on self-study for scoring good marks in
Very
examination.
good. So self-study.
Yes.
You, Amrit?
Apart from school, I spend almost 5 to 6 hours for self-study, and self-study is the most important thing for scoring good marks in CBSE board examination.
Okay, so dear viewers, the children who are watching, standard 10 students, the children who are going to appear. So the mantra these children are saying of success is self-study.
Self-study.
So I hope the viewers who are watching, they will benefit from the idea, the opinion of these three toppers. Okay, sir, your question.
Well, that brings me to my next question. How do you take your success? Was it expected? Was it unexpected? Or you are still not satisfied? Your dil mange more, you want more. What? Yes, you.
I got 95.2% and I am satisfied with that. I expected more than 95%, and success is a thing that you can achieve when you complete your goals. So it is the first step of our success. Our career begins from here. So I will do hard work further and further. Thank you.
Naeem?
For me, I expected for more than 97% in board examination, but I secured 96.2%. I am happy but not satisfied from these marks. So I will perform. I will work hard and perform well in next upcoming examination.
So it is a sort of challenge for you, and you have to do
More.
put your labor on getting
Yes,
more
ma'am.
marks. Yes.
Amrit?
After the board exams, I have expected above 96% and I have scored 97.2%. Yes, I am happy, but I am not fully satisfied. I want more apart from this.
So your heart demands more.
Yes.
Dil mange more.
Yes.
Okay, one thing. This success, which you are not satisfied with, if it is a small step for you, you must have heard the famous line of Neil Armstrong. A small step for me, but a giant leap for mankind. So I hope that in future you will take the giant leap. This is only the first step. Ma'am.
Yes. What is your idea about English? I mean, how much did you get in English? Because we are from the Department of English, we want to know how much you got in English and what were the strategies you applied, or which are the main, English paper is divided into 4 parts, as you all know. So which part you focused more on, and what are the tips you want to give to your juniors to score more? Because we have got, you have got 98,
Yes, ma'am.
if I'm not wrong, and you have got 90. So what are your special tips? So which session should be focused, or shall we take everything together?
According to me, all the sections should be provided equal attention,
Very good.
and I have always followed.
Okay, what was your personal choice? Which section did you like most, Amrit?
I like writing and grammar section more.
Writing and grammar. Okay, very good.
I have always followed NCERT books for English, and for reading, writing, and grammar section, I have practiced more and more for proper understanding.
So practice is the
Yes.
most important thing. Snail.
I secured 98 marks in English.
Very good. 98 marks.
In English, I practiced more in writing section and focused on grammar for securing these marks. And I told to our juniors that most focus on practicing the most in the writing section, and as much as paragraph they can solve it. Also helps more in the securing good marks, and focus on grammar and reading the literature book throughout once, twice, and it's more sufficient for the scoring.
Okay. Yes, Anushri?
I got 87 marks in English. I generally expected to get more than this, but I focused on English literature and NCERT books. And instead of these, I also practicing grammar section.
None of you are talking about the reading section, the most neglected part and the most scoring part. What is your opinion about that? None of you are speaking about that, and it is the attitude of the students, I've seen, even the teachers. It's like the neglected part.
I told about it. Practice is most important in the reading section.
So all the section must be given equal attention.
Equal attention.
Especially reading section is very scoring,
Yes, ma'am.
isn't it? Okay, thank you for your sharing your opinions. Sir, your question.
When I hear your marks, I really have a phobia, because in my career, I never got that much mark. No, that percentage. Madam, did you get?
No.
In our times, it was supposed to be very hard.
Especially in English,
Beyond our reach.
99 and 98.
We never heard of that. Anyway, my next question to you is, which one was more helpful to you? Your school, self-esteem. And did your teacher help you beyond the school hours? You answer.
I have given equal importance to school and self-study. Attending school is very important, as it is a platform where we can share our views, our ideas with our friends, our teachers. If we are wrong, they corrected us. And so it is very important to attend school and attending the lectures and paying attention to the class. So for me, schooling and self-study is very important, and when we go through book at home and we are doing self-study, we know our weaknesses and strength as well. So it is important to go for self-study, and mainly on NCERT theory that needs to be practicing more and more and revising more and more.
It was very good and very balanced answer. Snail,
For
you?
me, both are have equal importance. As much as you regular in school, it is beneficial for the student for scoring well in examination. And self-study is also most important. And all the teachers beyond the school hours, they also help me for scoring good marks. And every time they help me in beyond the school hours, in school hours, every time they help me.
Yes. And Amrit?
For me, school and self-study both are most important for scoring good marks in board examinations. In the school, all the teachers have helped me to build up my concept and always clear all the doubts and help me to understand all the concepts and all the topics. And in the home, the self-study is most important thing.
So this is what we get from your conversation is that self-study and attending classes is very important. Children who remain absent perform very poorly. That is what is
So
seen.
one has to be
You all-
consistent.
And you all are very regular. So regularity is must, isn't it? Whether you're attending your classes or whether you're solving the papers.
Well, this
or
reminds
doing
me of-
self-study.
This reminds me of one question. I hope you will honestly answer. Have you joined any coaching institute?
No, sir.
Yes,
You have joined.
yes.
And how much you found it beneficial to you?
All are equally important for me. They also help me more, and apart from school and self-study, they also help me for scoring good marks in board examination. All have equal importance for me.
And honestly?
I also join tuition, and I get my all doubts cleared there. So I am also giving importance to them also.
So in school your doubts were not cleared?
Yes, ma'am. There is also my doubts are cleared, but there are lots of students, and for teachers, it is being difficult to understand all the students. So at tuition, I ask personally, so they can clear me very nice.
Amrit, did
Amrit
you
said
attend any
that.
tuition?
All is teaching.
No,
No.
I haven't done it.
You did not attend any tuition.
No,
And you got 97.2.
97.2%.
Okay, so here is another case or another, what do you say, boy who says that he has not attended any tuition and still he has got 97.2. That's really
Yes.
impressive.
Okay, one more question. For your preparation, which books did you focus on for different subjects?
I focus only on
I am
NCRT, only NCRT book, and for the science and mathematics, I focused on the NCRT exemplar, which is the most important for both maths and science for scoring well in the examination in maths and science subjects, and for another NCRT is sufficient for scoring well.
Yes, good.
What is
Amrit?
yes.
Sorry.
No, sir, continue.
Amrit.
During the whole year, I have only focused on the NCRT books for the concept, and for more practice, any other book may be helpful.
Anusri?
I also focused on NCRT, but in maths and science, I focused on other help books, so it can clear my doubts. I focused on mainly maths, on two or different books. I have done this, so that can help us because in maths, practicing makes the maths perfect.
That is what I
So-
wanted to ask you all. Maths is a phobia among students.
Yes, sir.
Even I am scared about maths. So, what is the special tip you want to give to your juniors for scoring? Because you have got 99 in maths. You also.
Yes, ma'am.
So, what is your mantra?
As much as question they practice, they will score more. But only focus on NCRT. As much as question of NCRT, they will practice an example. They will score well in examination.
Practice and practice. Okay. Very good.
Okay, ma'am. So they continue?
Yes,
Okay, one very important question. With this percentage of marks that you have got in 10th board, you could have gone to other bigger named schools like Kota and Delhi and other places. But why did you opt for Milia Convent English School? Any particular reason for that? Anusri?
I have taken admission in Media Convent English School for +2 board because I got all the subjects that I want to take. I have taken humanities with maths, so I got all the facilities that I needed. So I have selected Media Convent School.
Okay, Snail?
I heard lot about Milia Convent School from my elder brothers, and all the faculty and the facility available here is very good. So I decided to remain here rather than to go Kota, Delhi, Patna. So I decided to remain here. All the faculty and teacher, all the facilities are well in this school.
Well, Amrit will answer because he is very familiar with the atmosphere of Milia Convent. Okay, you tell.
As I have been studying in this school from KG class, I have closely seen that all the teachers are very friendly, they are highly qualified, and they always help me to clear my all doubts and build up my concept. And especially for class 11 and 12, this school has already all the good facilities which should be provided in a proper CBSE board school. And
Very truly said.
So the
Okay,
main
ma'am.
thing, you all have opted this school, Media Convent English School, because of the faculty, isn't it? Okay, very good.
And that is the most important
That is the
thing.
most important thing. Do you see the infrastructure of the faculty? What you will see? What will be your choice?
Faculty.
Faculty. Yes.
That's correct. Okay, ma'am. You have anything?
Okay, let us find out.
Before that, before we wind up, one question. What are your ambitions? What do you want to become in your life? You have just passed your 10th board. Now you will be passing your 12th board, and after that graduation or whatever. But finally, what do you want to be? Answer.
and want to become an IAS officer. I want to serve my nation as a civil servant. So I have taken this as my career option by taking humanities, so that I can know about the societies and the people living here and their thinking. So I want to become an officer to serve my country, to serve my nation. Thank you.
Good. And you?
I love to serve people, those who want to, those who needs. So I want to become a doctor to serve a needy one. Those who want, especially they want to need help from this environment. So
So
I
you want to serve people.
serve
isn't it?
people.
To serve man is to serve God. I think you believe
When you
that.
become a doctor,
Yes.
would you serve your patient freely?
Yes, sir. Those who required, I will serve them.
So
Good.
you are being recorded. It will be there.
Yes.
And Amrit, you?
After class 12, my aim is to become an engineer.
So, will you go to Kota for that? Or somewhere else? For the preparation?
After class 12,
Yes. You will be
So
good.
what will be your choice? Like you want to be a mechanical engineer or computer engineer or civil engineer?
No.
Any choice you've got?
I want to become a civil engineer.
Civil engineer, okay.
Okay, boys and
Few
girls.
children opt for civil engineer.
You have shared your experiences with us. But before winding up, one very important thing. Your message for your juniors. What will be your message? In a few words, Anusri, you can tell.
I will tell them to attend the classes regularly and paying attention to the teachers, what they guide, and mainly focused on NCRT rather than other books. Give importance to NCRT and make their base strong. Thank you.
So the school is very important
Yes.
according to you. Snehal?
According to me, consistency and self-study is the most important for scoring well in this examination and another competitive examination. Consistency and self-study.
Good.
Thank you.
And Amrit?
According to me, attending school regularly, consistency, and self-study is the most important thing for scoring good marks in CBSE board examination.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank
Once
you.
again,
Thank
I
you.
thank you
Thank you
for
so much.
sparing your time.
On
And
behalf of media, welcome you to the
Yes.
school,
we thank you on behalf of Melia, the entire family,
entire media family.
and we
You are
wish
welcome
you
here. We wish you all the best.
a very bright and brilliant future.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.